welcome back to my channel. Today I will be rearranging my bling boxes. This is a new setup that I have here. I've probably had some of my bling in these type of boxes that I got from Michael's for I guess like the last 2 months, maybe 3 months, but I hate it. I thought I was gonna like it just because if I drop my container, everything won't go everywhere, but it's really not functional. I feel like I'm not using all of my stones because I don't know what I have. I actually like this little setup. I like this just because I can look in here and see exactly what I have, and I try not to put too many stones in at one time because I'll need to be able to pick them up, and if you have too many stones inside the section, you won't be able to move them around to pick them up. So I like this. I did have it like this on all of these, but I felt like I had too many boxes. I don't know. So now I'm going back to where I started until I find something different. I would love to know how you guys are storing your rhinestones. Yeah, so I feel like I need to have my bling where I can see it. I do have my TV playing in the background. So yeah, like this is just a video last minute. I came in my studio area and I was like gonna wipe things down and clean, and I decided to record myself organizing. Now I will say I think I'm gonna switch and put some like sequin in here and glitter. I have to see, but I think that's good for that. Yeah, I'm gonna need more containers like this. I do have a ton of them, but they're full with all my variety of nail tips. So that's what I'm doing. And this box, see, this is, I can just pull this out when someone wants chunky stones and be good to go. What do you guys think? That way I can move them around and pick them up. Looks real good. All right, so we got one box done. I want to get into, here I go, not able to talk because I'm recording. I don't know what's up with that, but I want to get into recording my sessions I have with my client. These stones. Put some up there. This and this here is just different little crystals and gold fixings. Oops, oops, oops. All right, it's too many. And I'll just add some of these in here that I have left. The 3D buttons I got from Walmart that I use on the nail. So yeah, see, this is nice. All right, so this is all full. I'll organize this another day. I'll be right back. Let me put the stones away so I don't mess anything up. What I would like to do is just look through here to see if I have any similar confetti, or like, I guess they like fish pieces. I don't know what they're called. And then I can just dump it in here. So it's looking like, okay, these letters are the same. So I'm gonna try to scoop this out and put it in there, and I think that that is the only one that is the same. All right, I'm not feeling this at all. That honestly was not too bad. And voila, I can put that back inside my little drawer, and I can put this up now. I might not be able to fit all of this in here. All right, I was able to get that in there, and it looks cute. The leftover purple that I have, I'm feeling like I'll have some leftover with each one. I'll just do a mix and see how that come out. While you're watching this, I'm probably gonna speed this up.
Oh my goodness, this color is so pretty. I think I have like a couple more bags of this.
And voila. Just wipe it down with some alcohol. Okay, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. So yeah, this is taking forever, so I might turn into a chipmunk real soon because I may still be talking, but I am going to fast forward this, but I don't want to cut anything out. Voila! I have some big containers that I keep because I do mix my own acrylics and make different colors like glitters and so forth.
So I'm just going to mix everything in here and see what I come up with.
Okay, y'all, I'm back, and this is what the custom color is looking like. I am digging it. I really do like that. And I'm going to take the second container, and I think I want to do this blues and greens. Greens and blues, rather. Ooh, I love that color. Gorgeous. All right, so those are all my greens that I have. And I'm gonna go straight into the blues. Yeah, I'm liking this already. When you watch too many YouTube tutorials, you start buying stuff that other people have that they recommend. And of course they recommend it because it functions for them. And that's what happened with me with these containers right here that I'm dumping out. I saw someone organizing her stones and she had these containers. And I'm like, wow, it's perfect because I'm clumsy. I can see me knocking my stuff over and crying about it. So let me go out and buy that. And I hated it. And these are some different blue stones. These ones have like chunky, different size in it. And here, they're just round. And then here is some blue floral stones with gold accent pieces. Turquoise. I wish I would have been saw these. I like to go from like light to dark. I would have put them in between here. So it would have been this, then that, like that. But that's fine. that is all the greens and blues. So what do y'all think? Are we on to something? Yeah, I like that. Okay, I figured since I was doing bling, I should give away some bling. So this is what I will be giving away. I will be giving away some AB crystals here with different sizes. I believe the sizes are a size 2 to a size 20. Could be a little smaller and a little bit bigger. I'm not sure. But this is what they look like. Also, I have more AB crystals that are already assorted for you. And this is what they look like. They are so pretty. This is perfect if you want to organize your stones in your box from smallest to large. And then I have regular colored stones here. These all have, I believe, 40 pieces in each. So here you go here. And also this is assorted. I want to get into using these stones. These are really pretty. Let me try to hold them up to the camera. So they're so cute. And then I have a box here with some small stones in it that are assorted as well. Also, I have another box of stones here that are assorted. I love these. These are like my go-to. And when I travel to do nails, my mortuary services, this is what's in my kit. Very, straight to the point. I don't have to carry a lot of different stuff with me. And then when I do get an empty box, I switch up and put, different stuff in it and then add it back to my kit. But that will be in there. Make sure y'all can see everything because I really can't see. I'm just recording. And then I have some beautiful colored stones here. These are the stones that I recommend if you are struggling with stone placement. These are just a cluster of stones. And you have those there. And then we have some caviar beads. And then I include a wax stick for you to pick up your stones. I don't have any brand new empty boxes. I have to get more. I don't even have any for myself right now, or I would have included one in here. If I do get more before I ship the giveaway off, I'll include it in here. If not, I'm sorry. But yeah, just to be entered in this tiny little giveaway, just comment down below what videos you like most on my channel. That way I know more of what y'all like to watch from me, and what videos would you like to see in the future. Would you guys like to see me vlog? Would you like to see more of my face? Would you like to see me do like some makeup? I don't know. But just comment anything like that down below, and please make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'm Nell_by_shy, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Be safe if you live in a hot area. Make sure you're drinking a lot of water and getting plenty of rest. I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.